I'm going to show you guys how I braid some stencil into my hair and get cute little braided space bun things, half up, half down. So I'm parting off from my eyebrow to the back of my head, not all the way back, but to like the top back of my head. I'm getting my stencil out, my hair stencil, which I got off of Amazon, and I am just starting to braid that into my hair. And you'll get probably a better look at how I did it on the next side. Yes, this is my concentrating face. Don't mind me. So I'm just braiding this all the way back, Dutch braids. And once I get to the back part of my head, I'm just going to continue just straight braiding it, no more adding in hair. Just for a few sections down, then I'm going to tie those off. So here you'll see that I put part of it. I'm not putting any in the middle section, I'm only putting it in the side sections. So I'm just putting one half on one side section, the other half of the stencil on the other side, and just braiding it into the braid. And so the middle part of it just kind of lays over the front of the braid like that. I am just fluffing these babies up, and then I'm going to be creating my little bun. So I'm just holding my braid in half. This is why I only had just a little bit. I'm folding it down to the base of the braid where I stopped the braiding, the Dutch braiding. Fold it in half, twist the rest of the hair around, and then the little tails that I have out, I'm actually going to just topsy tail those suckers through the underneath of my ponytail and bobby pin it. And then I'm going to be bobbing pinning this braid down a little bit in the center because this baby got voluminous way too quickly. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. And then again, pull those ends through the under part of my braid. And that's just going to help those little hairs at the end blend. I'm okay with it looking a little messy like this. I curled it. The stencil got curled too. Everything blends nicely, and the stencil isn't tied into my hair, so I can easily take it out when I'm done with this hairstyle.